another light panel pointed right here. Then I get this orange out of the way. Turn off that light. Pretty much ready. Hey, what's going on, guys? Eric here from Eric and Myles, and today I'm going to be doing a what's in my backpack video. I got a brand new backpack, a ton of new gear. I figured it's time to update my last one. So I really like making these kinds of videos. So let's jump right into it and get into the overhead view. Alright, so we're at the overhead view right now, and the backpack I currently use is the Flipside Trek BP150 AW. It's low pro, you know, the usual. Seems like everybody owns low pros now. So this is what it looks like from the top. Really nice. Looks cool. The colors are cool, like gray and then darker green. When I go out, I clip my tripod right up here. Tighten it up. Tighten that up. And then there, the tripod's in it. Works real nice. It's in there tight. Those clips are really high quality, like everything on these low pro backpacks. Up front, in this first front pouch, I don't have anything in here. What I store in here usually is my phone, keys, and snacks in this one. With this top pouch, I store my clothes in it when I go for overnight camping. I don't really need a lot of clothes when I go for overnight, so I just put it right in there and fold it up tight, and it stays there. Don't got anything in there right now other than this, my Aperture M9. Really nice for the size. Up here, I got my microfiber cloths for cleaning my camera gear. And now we're getting into the good part, the actual contents of the backpack. I like the camera backpacks that have the flap on covering your back so people can't try to pickpocket the important stuff. So yeah, this is what it looks like wide open. I will go from the top to bottom. I'll zigzag down, I guess. Starting with the top left, I just have all my GoPro stuff in here. I got my GoPro Hero 4 Black in its waterproof housing with the floaty and homemade makeshift mouth mount. I got the skeleton case. The skeleton case is mounted to a head strap. Then I just got some extra batteries, GoPro Hero 4 batteries. These are garbage, but they're better than nothing. And now my microphone. I use the Rode Video Mic Pro. Really great microphone for the price now. The newer ones have come out. This one has dropped in price, but it is still amazing. Battery life is insane also. And my main shooter and main lens combo. The Sony A7 with the Sony Zeiss 16-35 f4. This lens combo is just my favorite by far. Love this camera, love this lens. Yeah, nothing more to say about that. Just great camera and lens. Now right here I have, I usually store two, but I'm using one right now for this light that I'm using. But it is a NP-F550 batteries. I use two of them in here for my panel light, which I always bring everywhere because a lot of you know I do urban exploration. Haven't really much recently, but especially with night shots, these are awesome. These light panels are just awesome for night photography. When you need a giant floodlight to, you know, light up a waterfall or something. Now in these two pouches, I store my charged batteries. These are my charged ones in this right pouch, and this left pouch, it's empty right now, but I store my dead ones in this one. Now, getting into another part, the DJI Mavic Mini controller. Just picked this up. My favorite drone by far that I've ever had. This thing is awesome. I will be putting out more videos, but I'm just putting a little more work into them than usual. And this controller is amazing. Now the actual drone. The last part, last but not least, the Mavic Mini. I am in love with this drone. This thing flies insane. I got some awesome shots with it out at my cabin this weekend. Yeah, just really excited for this drone. Awesome thing. Battery life is insane, the camera quality, loved it and excited to use it more. Super light, just everything about this is awesome for backpacking. Push it in, there we go. Yeah, that is what's in my backpack. That is my updated version. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll get back to the desk view. So yeah, that's what's in my backpack. If you liked that gear, you can check out some of our other videos. I made a ton of videos on that stuff. Consider sharing with a friend if you thought it was cool or helpful. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out some of our other videos. See you next time.
At a Clippers game on the court side. Watch a nigga shoot like a 4-5. They mad at me too, I got more fire. Why these bitches see you? Go home, Roger.
Go home, Roger.
10 to Mary.